it's Heather.
And I'm Jen. Welcome to 5715 Forkhorn Place, where country charm meets modern comfort.
We are just about 10 minutes away from famous wineries and tasting rooms such as Tobin James, Steinbeck Vineyards, and only a few minutes more to the Robles Amphitheater.
And less than 20 minutes to town, shopping, and incredible restaurants too.
This 1,913 square foot home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and all the space you need to stretch out and enjoy the great outdoors.
And don't forget, this property is fully fenced and cross-fenced with plenty of room for animals, hobbies, or parking all your favorite toys. Bring your RV, your trucks and trailers, and your horses too.
Then step inside to an airy, open concept floor plan with 2 living areas, perfect for entertaining or just kicking back and relaxing.
The kitchen, bright, spacious, and fully equipped with stainless steel appliances and classic white tile countertops.
Chilly night? Cozy up by the fireplace or head down the hallway to your private retreat.
The primary suite is a dream. Huge walk-in closet, dual sinks, soaking tub, and a separate shower. Talk about relaxation. The spacious guest rooms, a well-appointed guest bath, and a convenient indoor laundry make everyday living easy.
Need storage? This shed has got all your extras covered, and you'll find a 2-car attached garage as well.
And the views, vineyard sunsets, open skies, and total tranquility.
This is rural living at its finest. Space, comfort, and stunning views.
Don't miss out. Call us today to schedule your private showing. We can't wait to show you around.